Introducing an absolutely new product on the domestic market. Glass frosting paste by screen printing from IVSATIN. The glass frosting method is done through a screen printing form. This is a rectangular frame with a polymer mesh sieve stretched over it. A photosensitive emulsion is applied to the sieve, on which the desired pattern or ornament is made using a photo output. The entire printing process takes a matter of seconds. A glass blank is laid on the table along the marking beacons, on which the screen printing form is directly imposed by the emulsion to the glass. Further along the width of the whole picture, a small layer of IVSATIN matting paste is applied. With a special squeegee, the paste is pressed through the sieve in 2 quick movements, forward and back. The frame is set aside. The glass with the applied paste is placed vertically for etching for 10 to 15 minutes. The next glass blank is put in its place, and the process is repeated. The resource of the screen printing form is very large and allows you to make hundreds of identical drawings without losing any quality. After 10 minutes, the paste is washed off the glass with ordinary soap and water. It is imperative that you use detergents to wash away all chemical residues from the glass. After drying, we have ordinary glass with a frosted pattern on its surface, which will remain forever because it is not paint, but just rough glass in the form of a pattern.